here. Okay. Got it on video so we know where we are. That isn't. Okay. I love it. Put this. Let's put them.
Probably a frog.
Maybe a fish. You can't really get close enough to sit. Well, if you catch one, you'll have to drag it all the way up the bed. I'm determined to get one of those woolly things. I'm thinking, I'm getting out of the sinky hole. Hold on. Oh, thank you. I got a lily pad! Yay! You didn't grab the pond for me?
I could grab the pond.
I'm asking you for too much.